Get your arms ready, get them ready. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Jaisha. In this video, I'm doing a new experiment, but today the experiment is not with hair products, it is with a hair tool. You've probably seen this video going around Instagram or TikTok to get these beautiful heatless curls. When I first saw it on Instagram, I was like, oh, that's nice. But then I saw Curly Chris on YouTube use the roller and her results looked really good, so I said let's give it a try. So this is the curler. It's still wrapped up. I didn't take it out yet, but just to show you, it is this satin silky soft material, and it comes with a clip on the inside and these two satin scrunchies. I believe the original company that did this is called Go Sleek Hair or Go Sleek, something like that. But there are a ton of dupes on Amazon, which is where I got mine. They come in a bunch of colors and it's essentially the same thing for a fraction of the price. So that's what I have. I got a pink one. It is pretty soft, like a nice satin or silky. I'm sure it's not silk, it's probably satin, but it's a soft material, and this is the clip. And this is the whole roller, so it comes bent up, but this is pretty long. And you wear it, you do it like a headband. I'm about to show you. So I always start a new style on clean hair. My hair is washed and I just blow dried it so that we don't have any interference with the curls or like puffy roots or anything like that. Hopefully this comes out good. I didn't really use any product. I used like a leave-in and a cream for some moisture. You're supposed to do this like, okay, so let me split my hair too. So you're supposed to put it on like a headband, right, like here. You put it on like a headband, and then you use the clip to hold it at the top. I hope this is in the right place. Okay, and so then like I'm just making sure that my hair is in front of it, like up here, and then you pretty much just twist it around the roller, kind of like a flat twist. So you take pretty small pieces and wrap them around the roller. So I pull this here, and I'm pulling pretty taut so that it's not loose. And grab another piece. Wrap that around. And then like once I get to the end, I'm just wrapping it all around itself, not going down. So now at the end, I'm just holding my hair, and I'm gonna try to, it's flexible, so I'm gonna put the scrunchie right here at the end. Bam! Okay, that wasn't so bad. Let's try this side. Whew. Get your arms ready, get them ready. I hope y'all are visual learners because it's kind of hard to explain if you didn't catch that. Okay, so it's kind of like a flexi rod, but a little bit softer, but doesn't exactly bend as easily as a flexi rod. I said that to say hopefully this is, oh, I could take this out now. Hopefully it is a lot more comfortable to sleep in. I'm kind of scared, low-key. I'm kind of scared that this is going to be a hot ass mess. If it's not a mess, I have a feeling it's not going to last more than a day. That's just my thoughts. I'm going to come back and we shall see. So I'm back. It's the next day. It has been a full 24 hours, probably a little bit more. I slept in this roller and we're going to see how it looks. The roller actually wasn't super uncomfortable to sleep in. Definitely not as uncomfortable as flexi rods. So we're gonna take it out. I'm nervous. I don't know why. I feel like this is gonna be a mess. I don't know, but let's see what we got. I'm gonna take the scrunchies out first. I'm surprised nothing came out, or like the scrunchies didn't fall out, my hair didn't like come out. It's actually kind of surprising, but oh, I'm nervous. Ooh, okay, let's see. All right, so that's not gonna work because clearly I did it real tight, huh? Okay, clearly I did them a little tight, so let's unravel it a little bit. Dang, girl, how tight did you make it? No wonder nothing came out. Okay. Whoa! Oh! Oh. Okay. Definitely not like silky smooth. It did something though. It did something. But obviously I didn't get the results from the viral video. Okay, so I did a little zhuzhing and fluffing. I really didn't have to do much, obviously. Kind of just did a side part, made sure my edges weren't looking crazy. And I don't hate it. I know it's not gonna last, but it was a nice little experiment. I'm sure this curler was not necessarily made for natural hair, but we can make anything work, okay? This is a nice little option if you wear your hair straight, or if you have a silk press going on, you wanna add a little body to it, it would be great. But on a blowout, on the natural curls, I just don't know how sustainable it is. Okay, that's it for my little experiment. Somewhat what I expected, but like in some ways a little bit better too. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my results. Do you think it's like, you wildin', you look crazy, don't go nowhere with your hair like that? Or is it okay? Are you feeling the little voluminous big curls look? That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see all of my videos when I post. And don't forget to like this video so I know what kind of content you guys want to see. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye!